Hello, in front of me I've got LG Q70. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. Tap View Wallet button. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment card, manage quick tips and all tips, manage your passes and add new passes to your Google Wallet account. From the menu you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, contactless setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can check full list of participating banks. Check your passwords in Password Manager. Manage your data in Wallet, where you can manage payments data and passes data. Check Wallet settings, where you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to Help and Feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.